To remain updated with the latest business news, click on the bell icon.
It was a terrible end to a Tuesday for crypto players and investors in India. It was at around 8 p.m. that news broke about new laws to be tabled in the winter session of the parliament, which could shatter the crypto dreams of millions of Indians. The reaction was swift and brutal. Crypto prices crashed, wiping out fortunes as panic hit investors who had just one question. What happens if India bans cryptocurrency? In an overnight bloodbath, Bitcoin fell 17%, Ethereum was down 14%, Dogecoin over 20% down, and Polkadot 14%. Even dollar-pegged token Tether was down nearly 17%. The phenomenon was largely limited to India, with prices relatively stable in the international markets.
We've seen this happen even in Feb 2021 when the same description, same listing was done in the list of bills to be presented, and in 2 to 3 days it normalized and it was back to normal. Need to see how this how the next few days evolve. But I think right now it's also recovered a bit from the worst. I think it'll recover back. Those 1-2 days of panic selling is what we're seeing right now.
While regulators have expressed apprehensions about these digital currencies for long, there is currently no regulation or any ban on their use. The industry was optimistic because the Supreme Court had already quashed RBI's ban on the digital currency. Also, government had been sending out feelers that it was willing to work with industry players to thrash out working rules. There have, however, been warning signs that authorities were not truly happy. At the Sydney Dialogue last week, Prime Minister Modi called on democracies to work together on cryptos and ensure they did not fall into wrong hands and corrupt the youth. The RBI governor has repeatedly expressed concerns about cryptos being a threat to the country's macroeconomic and financial stability. Even market regulator SEBI has said in the past that cryptocurrencies cannot be a commodity. According to industry estimates, there are 15 million to 20 million crypto investors in India, with total crypto holdings of around 40,000 crore rupees. Figures the industry is using to make its case with the government. Meanwhile, the plunge into crypto prices has been halted and there has been a slight recovery on the belief that an outright ban on cryptocurrency is unlikely. Though crypto players have their fingers crossed on the kind of regulations they can expect in the coming days. With Bisma Malik, Bureau Report, Business Today Television.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.